Hello and welcome. Do you feel internally rushed, yet completely exhausted, no matter what you try to finally calm down? Your body is constantly tense. Your mind just won't switch off. And every well-meaning piece of advice, like just do some yoga or go buy yourself something nice, feels like just another item on your endless to-do list. If so, you are in exactly the right place. The idea we will explore here is so simple, it almost sounds provocative. What if the answer to your overwhelm lies not in more doing, but in simple allowing? You function, you get things done, but that deep, restorative stillness, it always remains out of reach. You're stuck on the hamster wheel, running nonstop, but never getting any closer to a feeling of inner peace. It's a grueling battle you're fighting against yourself. But what if the quickest path to true recovery is the exact opposite of what you have tried so far? What if the answer isn't in more effort, but in not having to do anything at all for a moment? In the next few minutes, I invite you to an experiment. We won't try to fix or control anything. We will simply be. And you will discover why this is the most powerful medicine for your overwhelmed nervous system. We live in a culture of permanent optimization, and when we are stressed, we naturally try to optimize our relaxation too. But every attempt to control something is an effort. And every effort sends a message to your nervous system. Something is wrong here. There is a problem that needs to be solved. It is precisely this mindset that keeps you trapped in fight or flight mode. Picture it like a ball that you are pushing underwater with all your might. This constant battle against uncomfortable feelings is more exhausting than the feelings themselves. The solution is paradoxical, but simple. Stop fighting. Take your hands away and allow the ball to float to the surface. The exhausting struggle is over. This is the very invitation of allowing. By stopping the fight, we signal safety to our nervous system. It is about letting everything that is present in this moment, restlessness, tension, thoughts, silence, simply be there, without judgment, without an agenda. This message is the key to activating the vagus nerve, our rest and repair nerve. Your body knows exactly how to heal itself. It doesn't need effort for that. It only needs your permission. And that is the exact space we are going to create right now. Now, find a position that is comfortable for you. You can sit or lie down. Just make sure you can be as undisturbed as possible for the next few minutes. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Or you can let your gaze soften and rest on a point in front of you. For the next few minutes, you are going to do something truly radical. You are going to do nothing. No guided meditation, no breathing technique, no goal. Your nervous system doesn't need a new plan right now. It needs space. When thoughts come, and they will come, you don't push them away, but you don't follow them either. Let them be there, like clouds in the sky. If a tingling or tension appears in your body, you don't have to fix it. If you become restless, you don't have to calm it. Simply allow everything to be there. There is no goal to achieve here. Your nervous system has its own deep wisdom. When we stop constantly interfering, it knows exactly how to regulate itself. You just have to get out of its way. For the next few minutes, your only instruction is do nothing. Notice that your body is breathing on its own. Notice sounds and sensations without judging them. You are allowed to let go of control. I will now be silent for a few minutes. This is your time for doing nothing. Very good. Perhaps your mind wandered, or you found yourself trying to do it right. That is completely normal. If you catch yourself trying to do this right, just notice that impulse and gently let it go. If frustration or boredom arises, notice it and allow the feeling to be there. Whatever comes up, you don't have to do anything with it. Simply be, completely without self-criticism. Because doing nothing is not about achieving a perfect state. It is about allowing every state. You don't have to be anywhere else but right here. Let us continue. I will be silent again, and you will continue to do nothing. Not trying, not fixing, not improving. Simply being here, awake and aware, and allowing your nervous system to do exactly what it needs, without your interference. Very good. You are doing this perfectly, even if it doesn't feel like it. Observe how you feel right now. Perhaps restless, perhaps calm. All of it is welcome. None of these feelings is a problem that needs to be solved. We are practicing trust in our body, and we are practicing allowing. You are not broken. You don't need to be fixed. You just need to give yourself permission to simply be. One last phase of silence. Just continue to do nothing. Before you move, take this realization with you. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do for yourself is to do absolutely nothing. Your nervous system often doesn't need a new strategy. Sometimes, all it needs is space, permission, and your trust. You can return to this practice anytime you feel overwhelmed. Now, take a moment to become aware of your breath and your body again. And when you are ready, with no rush at all, open your eyes. Move slowly. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders, or give yourself a pleasant stretch. No hurry. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself these 15 minutes. And thank you for doing nothing with me. That is more than enough. If this experience was valuable for you, take this principle with you into your daily life. Once a day, take just a few minutes to pause and simply allow everything that is present to be there. I would be thrilled to hear about your experience. Please write in the comments how this practice felt for you. If you would like more inspiration for a life with less struggle, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.